Gorgeous pair of Hoggs of Fife. Lovely, lovely shoe. Used to be made by Alfred Sargent, so if there's an old pair, it could be Sargent's. Yep, cracking shoe. Veldtschoen construction, so the upper comes down, forms the top part of the welt. And I'm having to strip these off. Why am I having to strip these off, Paul?
Because they've still got wet cow muck on them.
What's up with that? It's a bit of manure. Bit of manure. Never killed anyone. So Paulie is.
I've got 200 pair of shoes I can get started on without cow muck on.
I don't know. So no heel stack. You see that? That's just a solid rubber heel. It doesn't matter. That's absolutely fine. How some companies do it. We like to see a heel stacking.
I'm not sure if I'd run the same key through. I've done one again.
Bit of manure. What's up with you? So just machining the heads of the stitches off. Oh, come on, baby. Oh. Do you need that sole at all? No. No, that can go straight in the bin. What about the heel stack?
Yeah.
It's a full rubber heel on it. Oh, put that in the bin. That's it, that's a heel. So Paul can check the size of that when it comes to putting them back together again. Where do you want that then? This?
Right now,
Why? What's up with you?
I'll get one for another size.
Okay.
Size.
Okay. It's only manure. But I will go and wash my hands now. And, yep. Right, so this here has got a rubber midsole. Will you reuse that midsole?
No. Needs leather for him.
Yeah, a nice leather one. Okie doke. So that can
So
come
I need
off.
to go underneath and check the shank and the cork. And that will destroy that rubber sole.
Okie doke. So we'll take this off as well. Come on. Come on. These pliers. So when you're using these pliers, see how they're rounded like that? You can tug all you like, but it's just nice and gentle, rolling them off. The only reason you see us ragging at some shoes is because we're impatient and we don't want to work this way round and just roll them over like that. That's it. All that old cork is coming out.
That's why you take the
So you can't reuse this. The shank looks good in this one. That's it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Perfect willow shank. Yeah, absolutely great. Look at that, really exposed. Can you see that there? Really exposed welt stitching. So you can't scour that at all. Just scrape it up. Don't want to catch that stitching. Pull the tops off of these, and then hopefully all the stitching comes out, and these will get the repair. Lovely, lovely pair of shoes. Fantastic. New laces in them. Same with this one. What are you on with? What exciting job are you on with?
Wait to turn the machine on and get cracking.
Whilst?
Gabor, sole and heel. Gabor, Gabor, I don't know.
Gabor. Sole and heel, yeah, good job. Yep. Lovely.
Better backlog of that lot.
Yep. Shoes all over. Gone crackers. Absolutely crackers. Right, we'll get on with this.
Fire up.
Yeah, fire up. Let's see. Nearly got some work done, kid. Nearly. Back on that computer. Come on off. Shank there, look. Little bit damaged. Just will have cracked. Pulling the sole off will have brought it off. So that's goosed. So they'll probably get a pair of shanks in these. But fabulous. Fabulous, Nick. Really are beautiful. Some nice laces in there. Polished up. But this chap probably get these trudging back through the manure. The hush. Yep. Lovely, lovely. So that's his insole. Cork filler. The rib is here, which all stitched to. The upper comes down and forms the top part of the welt on Veldtschoen construction. Apparently a lot of people don't like doing it because you get lots of rejects. Very difficult to get right. But yeah, lovely, lovely old shoes.